Hi friends, it's GCM at home. My name is Gift and today we're going to be making some frogs out of recycled toilet paper tubes. So what we're going to need is a stapler, scissors, glue, some googly eyes or eye stickers, red construction paper, green construction paper, a toilet paper tube roll, and some green paint. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out some frog legs. So I already have mine cut out. They look like this. I'm going to set them aside for a second. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to paint our toilet paper tube roll green until it looks like this. So I'm going to set this one aside as well. And then I'm also going to cut a strip of red paper for the frog's tongue. Just like this. Perfect. All right, and then our next step is we're going to take our green toilet paper tube roll. We're going to squish one side and we're going to staple it. So it's going to look like this. Our next step is we're going to glue some frog legs onto our frog. So our front frog legs are going to go where we didn't staple. And our back frog legs are going to be glued where we did staple. So it almost looks like a frog, but it needs a tongue. So we're gonna go ahead and take our strip of red piece of paper and we're gonna just roll it around our finger. That way its tongue can be all springy, just like a frog's. We're gonna hold it there for about 3 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That should do it. Perfect. And then we're gonna go ahead and glue the tongue into our frog, which is inside of the toilet paper tube. And then he needs some eyes. So I have these eye stickers. I'm gonna pick 2 that I like. I'm gonna stick it right on top of his face. Perfect. And our frog is done. Thanks for joining us for this craft.